crisis creates a mission field. Hurricane Harvey flooded 300,000 homes, most without flood insurance, thousands in the Friendswood area.
May the works of my hands bring you joy. May the works of my hands bring you joy. May the works of my hands bring you joy. May the works of my hands bring you joy. And so we sing.
EFCA Crisis Response has partnered with Trinity Fellowship in Friendswood to be the hands and feet of Jesus, rebuilding flooded homes. Teams from all over the country, and even from Haiti, have come to gut, hang sheetrock, mud and sand, texture and paint, then install flooring, trim, and appliances for homeowners.
May the words from my mouth speak your peace. May the words from my mouth speak your peace. May the words from my mouth speak your peace. May the words from my mouth speak your peace.
Okay, this is one on the wall, and it's a beautiful picture.
We're living in a trailer out in our driveway. We've been there since the 1st of September. And I have these awesome men, or angels, here installing floors in my house, which is very, very exciting.
Working the way God would have it, here you are. And I'm really thankful and grateful.
Make all things new. You make all things new. In places we don't choose. You make all things new.
Already, these teams have worked with dozens of homeowners, as well as in Trinity Fellowship's building. And by God's grace and provision, we have been able to make a tiny dent in a huge problem. You can't always see the damage from the road, but thousands of homes in Friendswood, League City, Dickinson, and surrounding towns are gutted and empty. We expect God to continue to bring us homeowners with limited resources and great needs for 2 or 3 more years. But we don't want to be just the hands and feet of Jesus. We also want to be His heart and voice. Just as you can't always see the damage to a house from the road, you can't always see the trauma a homeowner has gone through in the storm, or the trauma that may have been there long before the storm. Crisis Response has a motto: people over projects, every time. And that means team members will often put down the tools to talk and pray and share with residents. We have already seen God work in amazing ways through the ministry of team members and crisis response staff. It's not too late to give, to pray, or to volunteer to help in this effort.
Brian Kramer, we're from Chapel City Church in Camarillo, California, spelled Camarillo.
Dan Miner from Rockton, Illinois.
My name is Colleen Walker. I'm from California, Orange County.
Katrina Welch, and I'm the site leader here in Friendswood. From Trinity Fellowship Church today.
Oh, that's so sweet.